Hello everybody. Over here I have my DIY step meter. I did it on an Arduino Nano and it required very minimal components. A single LCD, a tilt switch, a push button, although that is not necessary, a potentiometer, and obviously the Arduino Nano itself. Now behind it I do have a USB charger, a portable USB charger, but this is completely not needed. This is just for portability's sake, and you could do this without it. So how does it work? Well, let me first power this on. There we go. And as you can see right now, it shows number of steps and then 0. Now how will it work? Well, the tilt switch plays a very key role. Basically, whenever I turn this and then I turn it back, it shows me, ooh, that was a bit wonky. Let me try again. There, it shows 2 steps. Now, why did it show 2 steps? Well, I made it so that when you're walking, you usually swing your hand back and forth every 2 steps. So I decided I will multiply my value by 2. That way, it doesn't go 1, 2, 3, 4, even though you've already did 8 steps. And now, you may ask, okay, this is cool, but what's the button for? Well, assume you finished walking. Oh, and that is quite wonky right now. Look at that, it's shaking all everywhere. I may have to replace that for a more decent one. But basically, the switch is made for this. When you're done walking, or you want to give it to someone else, you click this button, and it sets it back to 0. There we go. I can shake it a bit more. Takes it all the way up to 20. And I just click the button and it takes it back to 0. Now the potentiometer is just here so that I can adjust the brightness of the LCD. It doesn't really do much. Oh, my power bank just went out. But now let's see this in action. If I can just turn my power bank back on, I need to recharge it. It's not the fault of the Arduino, it's the fault of me not charging it. So pardon my messy room, but let's do some steps real quick. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I hope it doesn't change. We have 4, oh, it just changed. But it said 4 steps previously, but because I put it down like this, the tilt switch got turned on and it changed to 6. But it was initially 4, and now I just click this, and it changes it back to 0. How convenient. Let's do this one more time, but let's do 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that was a bit wonky. We only got 6 steps. Well, as you can see, it does need some extra work. Probably I'll change the tilt switch on this to a more suitable one. I have 2 of them in my arsenal, so I'll try and use those ones. But I would say this is a pretty cool thing. Although it is quite big, you could make it more compact, get a smaller lithium battery, and maybe an Arduino Pro Mini. But on itself, I would say it's pretty good. And I will make a video later talking about the code, and in the comment section I will try and put a schematic. If not, feel free to yell at me until I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.